Hey guys, and welcome to WordsAtScale. So I had a video planned for you and already scheduled and uploaded when Jasper announced its latest feature, which is called Jasper Chat. So once you enter your Jasper account, you can see that there is this chat button here available in beta. And what I'll do quickly, I'll run a few commands for Jasper Chat and ChatGPT, and we'll compare. So first, I will ask Jasper to generate 20 ideas for a birthday of a 40-year-old male, which I am, by the way. I'm 40. And let's just admire how quickly Jasper turned things around with ChatGPT. Okay, we've got 19, we've got 20 actually. So let's read through those. An outdoor adventure, luxury spa day, tickets, travel, exotic car driving, karaoke, nice. Let's use the same prompt for ChatGPT. And the speed of Jasper was quite good actually, because ChatGPT sometimes it gets laggy because everybody uses it. A weekend getaway, a fancy dinner, spa, a golf. Well, it is structured better. I mean, it's visually more pleasing than what Jasper came up with, but the content is quite similar actually. Okay, and it's tapping out at 20 again. So 20 here and 20 here. Okay, nice. Let's try something else. Write me a PHP code for a search bar. Wow, I did not expect that, because in my previous iterations, Jasper Chat told me that it cannot do code, but it did. Wow. Let's try that for ChatGPT. I'm not a coder, so I won't be able to validate these outputs, but by the looks of it, Jasper has got more regarding this query that when compared to ChatGPT, but it keeps going, so I don't know. You guys be the judge. Okay, let's do something else. Generate an outline for a blog post about can dogs eat bananas. Okay, introduction, what are bananas, benefits, types of bananas, and it's got even some H3s in there, nice. So we've got some, we have H2, 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 and different H3s as well. Let's try ChatGPT. And I can tell you straight away that ChatGPT uses a different approach. So it's more of a mixture between an outline and a draft, which may not be your cup of tea. I mean, it's great when you're writing from scratch. It's not as great if you use these H2s as outlines for another copywriter, but still, it's difficult to compare different outputs. And now let's put it to the final test. Let's ask Jasper to write a 1,000-word article on the benefits of skipping rope. Okay, so we got the conclusion. Nice. Let's try ChatGPT. And while ChatGPT is generating, let's go to Originality.ai and check for the original content. So Jasper, this is the output. I wonder how many words there are. And there are 523 words, so let's scan it. %50 original. Wow, that's pretty good actually. ChatGPT is still generating content. It looks like it's gonna beat Jasper in terms of the word counts. Let's see how it measures up as far as originality goes. Nice. I actually like how ChatGPT produces the content. It's quite readable. And 469 were so less than Jasper. Let's check the AI score. And the AI score is 10% original, so Jasper is beating ChatGPT here. And there you have it, guys. A very quick video, and be mindful that Jasper chat is even better, but by the looks of it, it's incredible too. And now you're gonna be like shocked and surprised. It's not spending any credits. So if you want to get a hold of Jasper and how to use its commands and just play around with the language model and get accustomed, you won't be spending any credits at all. So be my guest and sign up for Jasper and try Jasper Chat, and let me know if you have any questions, if you want me to record any additional videos on the topic. Until then, if you like the content, please subscribe, like, and share the video, and I'll see you next time.